thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. Thank you for all y'all who keep coming back to the channel and welcome all you new ones. Hope you guys like this channel. Go ahead and subscribe and do all that good stuff. In this video here, I'm going to be making my cheesy, creamy, yummy pasta. If you like this recipe, go ahead and don't be stingy. Go ahead and share this video, like, and do all that good stuff. Alright, first you're going to start off with some olive oil. I have my Instapot set at on saute section. I cubed up some chicken breast. I'm then going to season it with some garlic salt. I absolutely love this garlic salt. Just to let you guys know, I season my food to taste. I don't really measure. So I'm saying but probably used about a teaspoon of garlic salt. And then I'm going to put some onion powder in there. And I probably say about a teaspoon of onion powder, and you can say about a half a teaspoon or maybe just a whole teaspoon of some Italian seasoning. And I'm also going to put some black pepper in there because like I've said a million times in my video, I don't like no bland food. I like my food to taste good over here, okay? So first I'm going to, cook my meat, make sure it's nice and brown. Alright, once the chicken is cooked, I'm going to put in, I want to say about a cup of chicken broth in there. And then I'm going to put a block of cream cheese. And then you can also put a jar of your favorite marinara sauce. And I just put a whole bag of shell noodles. And I cooked that for about, I want to say about 5 minutes in my pressure cooker. Once that was done, I opened it up and I stirred in a little bit, checked on my noodles and saw how everything was looking, smelling yummy, looking yummy. Then I just added like a dash more of chicken broth in there. I just kind of like mine just to be a little bit more looser and creamy in there. And then I cooked it for additional about 4 minutes. And then after that, I added some of my favorite Italian mixed cheese in there, and that's when it gets cheesy. I love cheese, so I put about a cup and a half. You can put like a half a cup if you're not a cheesy person, but I'm cheesy and it is what it is. So I then just mixed that in until all the cheese was melted. And here's how it turned out. Super yummy. My kids loved it. You can serve it with a side of your favorite veggies. I served it with salad. The kids love, me and my crew love some salad and some breadsticks. And there you go. If you tried this recipe out, go ahead and tag me and tell me down below what you think. Definitely don't be stingy now. Share this video out with some others out there. I appreciate all your love and support that you show my channel. I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.